Swagbucks support response time depends on the type of issue you submit and the information included in your request. By the end, you'll know what affects Swagbucks support replies, how to create a better support ticket, and what to check while waiting for an update. Section 1 is understanding how Swagbucks support requests work. When you contact Swagbucks support, the team needs enough details to identify your problem. A ticket with missing information can take longer to review because support may need to ask for additional details. If your issue involves missing SB points, account access, surveys, offers, or rewards, explain exactly what happened. Include the activity involved, the date of the issue, and any screenshots or confirmation details that show the problem. A clear ticket gives support the information needed to investigate the issue without searching through multiple messages. Section 2 is what can affect your response time. Different problems require different levels of review. Way. A general question may be easier to answer than an issue involving account activity, missing points, or a reward problem. Before sending another support request, check whether you already received a confirmation message. Look through the email account connected to Swagbucks and check your spam or promotions folders for updates. Avoid creating several tickets about the same issue. Keeping one conversation thread makes it easier for support to track the details and provide a response. Section 3 is what to do if you are still waiting. First, review your original ticket and make sure all important information was included. If you forgot a screenshot or a key detail, adding that information to the existing request can help explain the problem. Next, check your Swagbucks account activity. Review your SB balance, recent activity, and any related offers to see if the issue has already been updated. If you need to follow up, reply to the original support conversation instead of starting a new request. This keeps your previous information connected to the same case. The main points are simple. Swagbucks support response time depends on the issue and the quality of the information you provide. A complete ticket and organized details make the review process easier. Your next step is to check your current support request, confirm that your details are complete, and monitor the same support channel for updates. If this guide helped you understand Swagbucks support response times, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.